Right now, over 100 million microscopic creatures are lighting up our coastlines with a chemical reaction that shouldn't exist in nature. Imagine a wave crashing with 10 times the brightness of a smartphone screen, generated by nothing but water. Stay with me here, because what looks like an alien paradise is actually a biological battlefield. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this glowing water is hiding a terrifying secret. This defies everything we know about marine life. Scientists around the world were genuinely baffled when they realized these organisms create light using 0% heat. If humans tried to replicate this, our tech would overheat and fail instantly. Think about it, a living creature smaller than a grain of sand, manufacturing raw light out of thin air. How is this even possible? To understand this, you might be thinking it's just normal jellyfish behavior. Usually, marine life uses light to see in the dark. But here's where things get strange. This light is generated by single-celled plankton called dinoflagellates. They mix two compounds, luciferin and luciferase. When a wave hits them, boom, an instant flash of cold light. This is what should just be a pretty light show. But expectation doesn't match reality. What I'm about to reveal next completely changes how we view our oceans. If you want to uncover the weirdest anomalies on Earth every week, hit that subscribe button right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss our next deep dive. The mystery truly began in the 1960s when marine biologist Dr. Woody Hastings noticed something impossible. The plankton didn't just flash randomly. They followed a precise, internal biological clock. Even when kept in total, dark laboratory isolation for months, they only glowed at night. Tension built as researchers realized these tiny organisms knew exactly what time it was without ever seeing the sun. Here is the main explanation. This light isn't a beacon, it's a brilliant biological burglar alarm. When a small fish tries to eat the plankton, the flash acts like a literal distress flare. It doesn't scare the attacker, it exposes them to larger predators nearby. Dr. Hastings noted in his studies that this trap forces the big fish to hunt the small fish, saving the plankton. Just when you thought you understood this miracle, it takes a dark turn. During the day, these identical organisms multiply by the billions, creating a red tide. The water turns a thick, rusty crimson. 3 competing theories explain this, but the most alarming is that these blooms release deadly neurotoxins. The beautiful blue paradise at night turns into a toxic, suffocating crisis by day. I genuinely want to know what you think. Is this phenomenon a brilliant evolutionary masterpiece, or a dangerous natural trap? Drop a comment below with your theory, I'm reading every single one. This matters for humanity because scientists are now using this exact luciferase enzyme to track cancer cells inside the human body. By making cancer cells glow, we can target them with unmatched precision. Fortunately, ongoing satellite missions by NASA are now predicting these toxic red tides days in advance, keeping coastal communities perfectly safe while preserving the magic. But this isn't the only thing mutating our planet. Next week, we look at forests that glow in the dark and caves that defy gravity. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Remember, nature always keeps its brightest secrets in the dark. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.